I am getting out and about today to go pick up some trash, which will be fun. I feel like it's a responsibility of us all to get out and start picking up trash in our towns and communities that we live in and travel to. Bozeman has given me a lot, so I want to give back a little and pick up some trash. This is something that I want to get into and start doing a lot more. Yeah. I know I don't post all that often, but every little bit helps. If you like it or share or whatever, it helps me get out and do stuff like this more. So I know it may not seem like it, but it really does. Friendly neighborhood, backcountry runaway out to go pick up some trash. So this is what I'm picking up. See all this trash around here? This, I believe, this piece of property right here is technically private. They're getting ready to build something on it or something. I don't know. I'll hold this phone right. But I haven't even gotten a quarter mile from my house. And I already have almost a full 55-gallon drum liner. Look. Open this bag up for you. Got this big tall bag full of trash right here. And I haven't even gotten a quarter mile from my house. It's just right over there. It's crazy. But it needs to be done. It needs to be done, so that's why I'm doing it. Another good example of why I'm doing this. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. This is the same area that I just showed you. It's not perfect yet. Still a couple of things to dig out from under the leaves. But that's what it looks like with all the top stuff picked up. That's one bag. And I'm not even a quarter mile from my house. New bag, new area. Now I'm at the Bozeman Pond Park. I'm at the Bozeman Pond Park now, looking for trash to pick up. I'm hoping that there's not that much trash here because, it's a park with water and all that good stuff. So we'll see. I'll let you know during and after. Well, I'm happy to announce that there's not that much trash here at the park, which is great. That means it's been getting kept up with, or people just haven't been littering here. Awesome. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get out here back on the road, the main road, pick up trash there, and circle back around to my vehicle. That's the plan. See what I'm doing here. I'm actually getting down on hands and knees, crawling through the bushes, thick, shrubby stuff, pulling out all this trash. Newspaper. Trash and newspaper. Stretching through, just trying to get what I can. Wow, this is a lot. This is a lot of stuff here, tucked up in all these shrubs, buried underneath the tree litter. I'm still trying to get all the way back in there to get that stuff. It's time to tackle this stuff. there's still a lot more work to be done right here in this particular area, but I'm out of bags. And the bags that I do have are full. But doesn't that look a lot better than what it did just a second ago when I showed it to you? Yeah. There's a few more big things that I'm just gonna go over here and grab and stick in my car, like a couple of cardboard boxes that are basically decayed and stuff. So I'm gonna grab those and then head back to the house, and I might come back over here tomorrow. Help me clean up a little bit. If you recreate in the outdoors, it's part of your responsibility to get outside and help clean up. With more people getting into the outdoors, there's a bigger responsibility to make sure it happens. And you can do it around your town or around local public lands. It doesn't have to be anything significant. If you see a bottle on the ground, pick it up. It's not that hard. Pack it in, pack it out. I'm going around town picking up trash in the area that I've been visiting and hiking around in. So it's the least I can do. Join in, help out, why not? This is how much trash I ended up getting today. 3 55-gallon bags full. And that's just with a couple of hours worth of work. And I feel good about it. Yeah. You know, if every single person were to go out every weekend and get 3 55-gallon trash bags full of trash off the ground, this world would be a lot cleaner of a place. We should definitely work on that, and it's something that I want to work on more if I can. Every chance I get, I will. Thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, help support the channel. Give a like, a share, a comment. It all helps.